Today we were doing restoration of the walls and installing our flooring. For the walls, what we do is we come in, we cut the walls approximately 30 to 33 inches, take out all the rotten drywall, baseboard, studs, insulation, and then from there we'll reinstall steel studs and then board it with our Everlast product, which is a non-organic composite board. Then once that's all boarded up, we go and put our flooring on, which is a rubber plastic compound so it won't mold, again non-organic. And then we'll go and trim with chair rail and then baseboard. And then on our seams we have a steel and batten vinyl that goes over that. Very, very easy to install. Realistically, you could do it yourself if you were semi-handy. All it does is click together, so you have loops and hooks. Snap, snap. This flooring, again, it's non-organic, so basements naturally are porous, so you're going to have moisture in them. So with this plastic rubber compound flooring, you're not going to get any mold or anything like that.